Welcome to Fill the Roof to the Roof. The objective, the goal of the Social Ease open source dance program. No experience required. The floor space, you're going to be stunned how easy that's going to be for it to find you. Sound technology. I mean, a lot of the stuff you can get started today. All right, there's already videos out there to show you some tips, some tricks, some techniques. Techniques are important because if you ever want to certify, you're going to need the technique. And the ultimate goal is start your own library. You want to get started on building your own social syllabus. Why, you may ask? And why? This is where businesses will start perking up. It's going to follow a schedule not to teach dancing, but to build dancing, which means you need presenters, you need teamwork, you need some confidence, you need some camaraderie. So everything that they look for in a team building exercise weekend is here. Imagine that. And you're going to learn how to dance and meet new friends at the same time. Now, before you panic, an open source group is you're responsible for yourself, but you're a big part of a team. That's been around since cavemen up to like today's guild MMO. So don't worry about it. The floor, you can start at home. To start with anything wood or wood laminate that you can start using suede leather on. Okay, the sound with today's technology, that's solved. Follow the club outline, follow the club outline, follow the club outline, and you'll probably find a member who knows a place that would love to participate. I mean, it's going to happen. So just follow the club outline, set your meeting times, start your own syllabus, start having fun. You don't need a lot of floor space, all right? And it'll start trickling out there. You'll start finding people, and there's a reason why this is going to work. Anybody in business is going to see this next part. In fact, they might try to have this for one of their team building weekends. Yeah, here we go. This will fit any dance studio. So I use my dance experience on how they love everything down to 5 minutes. You erase the day, and then everybody starts taking their turn. So this is where more of a public speaking, presenting comes in. uh, Going over the standards. Somebody else does the presentation. Somebody else leads the elements in the dance practice, and then people just start practicing the elements, building their steps, building the syllabus, following the techniques that things of that nature, and then you plan your next meeting based upon. So you don't need a president. It's not an official anything. It's just a collection of people. It's open source. And you spend the rest of the time that wherever they're at, however long they'll let you dance. So a business, no matter who they are, will see the benefit to their employees. A dance studio will see it as a great crash course for new teachers. And the whole thing is to fill the roof, because if everybody's dancing, the dance industry is going to take off again like it did in Dirty Dancing. So fill the roof to the roof, and everyone is going to be having a fantastic time.